The ocean, a vast and mysterious place. Home to some of the world's most unique delicious creatures, including the oyster. And here, on this oyster farm, we're about to learn what it takes to bring these delicacies to our plates. Oysters, while often considered a luxury, have a long history of being harvested by coastal communities for sustenance. Today, oyster farming is a thriving industry, providing a sustainable source of seafood for people all over the world. But what makes oysters so special? For one, their flavor. Oysters take on the unique characteristics of their environment, giving them a distinctive taste and texture that's hard to find in any other seafood. But oyster farming isn't just about taste. It's also about sustainability. Oysters are filter feeders, which means they help to improve the water quality of the bays and estuaries where they grow. This not only benefits the local ecosystem, but also ensures that the oysters themselves are healthy and safe to eat. From the farm to the plate, oysters are a true delicacy. So the next time you enjoy this seafood treat, remember the hard work and dedication of the farmers will make it all possible. For the love of oysters and the love of the ocean,